This is a quick video on how I fixed a defective control panel for a Chamberlain garage door opener. In my case, the screen on the panel was dark and the buttons were completely unresponsive. And on the side of the garage door opener there was a blink code, 1 up arrow, and 3 down arrows. So I pulled up the owner's manual from Chamberlain's site, and based on what it has in the troubleshooting section, this LED code refers to a failed door control. To begin, I disconnected the power cord and the battery from the garage door opener. I also disconnected the wiring and pulled it out of the staples that I had holding it to the ceiling. This step, however, was entirely unnecessary for reasons that will become clear later. Then I removed the failed panel from the wall by lifting up this top button and taking the screw out. I took the part number for the replacement panel from the owner's manual and I punched it into Chamberlain's site. At $64, the one on Chamberlain's site is a tad expensive. I took that same part number and I went to eBay and I did find them cheaper. And for whatever reason, the LiftMaster version was cheaper than the Chamberlain branded panels, so I went ahead and got this one. And you can see here that aside from the branding, the parts are pretty much identical. The replacement panel did not include a new wire that runs to the garage door opener, so I had to reuse the existing one. Not a whole lot to it, I just had to loosen the screws on the back of the old panel so that I could remove the wires. Then I attached them to the new panel, red to red and white to white, and I tightened the screws down. Then I put the new panel on the wall and I tightened the screw down to hold it in place. And since the new panel didn't come with a replacement wire, I had to rerun the one that I didn't have to remove in the first place. Then I went ahead and reconnected the wires to the garage door opener. And then when I reconnected the battery and plugged the power cord back in, sure enough the new panel was working. One of my worries going into this was that since this is a LiftMaster branded panel, that I might see some kind of incompatibility with the Chamberlain garage door opener. But everything so far has seemed to work the way it's supposed to. The motion sensor works, I can turn the light on and off, mess around with the Wi-Fi, and of course open and shut the garage door. And it displays the correct temperature, and probably would display the correct time if I wasn't too lazy to set it. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if it helped you out, and thanks for watching.